Hey everyone, welcome back. This is just a bonus part because I was playing around. I wanted to make it look good. See, as you can see, I changed a lot. It's from our previous tutorial. It's just I make some changes. Things that I did right. So as you notice here, the ground is a bit darker and whatnot. Uh, then please take note that in real world, I totally forgot once you have the banks, right, the lower ground, then you have the forest. Then you have the mountain, and then at the top is the snow. So in my part, the previous part, right, I have the forest, then the plain. So it doesn't look that good. And then I decided to change it around. At the same time, right, if you notice, I added the sun, which give a cool effect in our HDR. You can play with the sun and whatnot, right? So that give a really nice thing. And maybe we should uh, change the color a bit. This is like what you call um, already sunset, not sunset. Sorry, uh, yeah, sunset, because the sun uh, is there, and not this side. Sorry, be orangey a bit. Yep. Okay. Um. Yep. That looks better, I guess. Uh. The saturation, but yeah. So it's like you can saturate until depending on where. Right. So this is cool. So what else did I do? All right. So just now, all right. I mentioned right. Um. The way we use collection item collection, right? So say for example I want white to be here, and this brown to be here. So if you can see here, this brown material is number 3. Yeah, here. How do I put it top and move the white bottom? I'll just show you this example, right? So because if you change here 6, right? You change it already here, but you notice it doesn't change the distance. What you have to do is you cancel this inside our collection node where we created earlier. So this is where we choose the collection. We cancel it and then we take it again. So now it rotates. I was trying to figure it out. Maybe for you guys, right? Decided. Oh, how do I re re renumber the collection? Make you know the indexing. There's probably some other ways, but I don't know how to do it. This is what I quickly did. So that's how I do it. The final thing I did for this, right? Uh, Other than, well, I added I added the bloom, like I said in our last example, but I you know make the radius less. You can increase the radius and like bloom everything, right? Right. So maybe decrease the intensity, but something like that. That makes the scene nicer. Um, and finally, what I did was, uh, since the forest, just I didn't put like trees and whatnot, right? We can do it in future videos. But what I did for this one, to make it quick and painless, so this is a tree material. Um, so what I did was I changed I changed the bevel amount. So initially it's like this, right? So now I changed the bevel. Uh, if I what if I increase the segment? Yeah, so I increase the segment a bit, then put more bevel on it, so it looks like a tree. No, I mean pointy a bit, so it gives that impression of the uh, the three line, yeah. So that makes things look better. So this is just a bonus material because I want to cover this collection info, but because when I did it, it didn't work as what I want. So other than that, let's look at the water shading. Maybe I can do something. um so this one, right? So what if I uh, yeah, something like that, right? Yeah, scale there. So it give you the transmission. I can control it, but I like this one already. So what else did I did do? Yeah, I actually, sorry for the EV. I add under color management, um, very high contrast. Low contrast is fine, but I like the contrast look. Probably you can open another application and then do some changes in it. So I just wanted to share you how things that we can do a lot more to improve, right? So like I said, I moved this tree line, and it looks much better. It looks more realistic. um and if I render, I didn't show you guys how to put the camera in before, but that's what I did. So let me just make the sign, because it's like the sign is already like that, right? Make it saturation is you. Sun. Oh, I was choosing the bloom. Sorry. So doesn't matter. Bloom. The bloom usually follows the sun, but it's okay. Uh, Here is the light. Yep. So let's increase the saturation a bit. More red. Um, then the hue. Yeah, something like that. So it's more of a evening look, right? Uh, like sunset kind of view. And saturation, reddish bit, yeah, something like that. All right. Yeah, looks much better. All right. So basically, those are the bonus material because I wanted to show you how I did that. That major thing was the geometry node, how to change the collection, right? So that one I really wanted to show, but might as well I cover everything. So I hope you guys have been enjoying the video, and feel free to drop a like and subscribe, and thank you for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. I apologize for any wrongdoings or newbiness that I show, but I hope you guys enjoy. See ya. Bye.